Hello, my name is Luis Estrada, and I'm a software developer. In this clip, I'll show you how to set up a personal domain name. Once you have selected the domain name and the TLD that you want to use, it is time to buy it. The first thing that you need to do is choose a domain name registrar. This is a company accredited by the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, or by a National Country Code TLD authority to register Internet domain names. These companies are often distinct from the wholesale domain name registry operator. For example, the wholesale registry operator for the .tv domain is VeriSign. This company is in charge of managing the .tv registrations in its entirety. VeriSign sells domains using distributors such as Godaddy.com, enum.com, networksolutions.com, etc. Most domain registrars sell a variety of generic and country TLDs. One of the biggest domain registrars is Godaddy.com. Go to its website and look for the domain that you want to purchase. On the field, enter the desired domain name and choose an extension from the drop-down box. If the domain name is available, that is, it hasn't been previously registered, you'll have the opportunity of adding it to your shopping cart. If the desired extension is already registered, the website will verify if the same name but with another extension is available. The website will provide additional domain name options that you might be interested in purchasing. Godaddy will also offer premium domain names. These are domains that have been previously registered by someone, but now they are being resold for a more expensive price. Premium domain prices significantly vary. For example, the domain business.com was sold for about $7.5 million in 1999. It will take a while for you to find an available domain name suitable for your website, especially if you want a .com TLD. Once you find one, add it to your shopping cart. Then you will have the possibility of creating an account on the Godaddy website and pay for your domain using credit card or PayPal. When you buy your domain, you will choose how many years you would use it. In reality, you do not buy the domain, you are just renting it. You need to pay a fee for every year that you have the domain. Most domain registrars give special discounts if you buy the domain for more than 1 year. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a website to use your newly acquired domain. I'm Luis Estrada, and I've just showed you how to make money with your websites.